Hi, this is Kevin Hall. I'm at Hall Family Farm. I am the great-grandson of the original founder of this farm. My great-grandfather, J.K. Hall, bought the property between 1914 and 1920. He was a cotton farmer his entire life, farmed this land through the 1950s, 1960s, and ultimately most of the farm sold back in the 50s, and the family was left with smaller parcels, and at this point in time the farm is down to about 40 acres from a high of 600 acres back in the early 20th century. My grandfather was the owner of most of the remaining land. My grandfather Leitner was a county police officer his whole life, and he died several years ago, and since then the property has been passed on to his children, and they are mostly not interested in owning the property anymore, so the land is on the market to be sold. And at this point in time, my wife and I, Lara and me, are looking diligently to find new land as close as we can to continue the Hall Family Farm operation. So